Neighborhood, Union Square. 335 Powell Street. Telephone, 415-397-7000. Thanks to relatively recent renovations, the Westin Workout Fitness Studio constantly tops the lists of San Francisco's best hotel gyms. This 6,000 square feet space is filled with everything from PreCor Ellipticals to Powermill Climbers and comes complimentary to guests 24 hours a day. Forgot your running shoes at home? Failed to pack your workout clothes? Don't worry, the Westin and New Balance have teamed up to provide on-loan shoes, apparel, and accessories for a $5 fee per stay. While the sneakers come with brand new disposable insoles and clothes get a thorough washing after every use, the socks are yours to keep. The hotel also has its own running concierge who leads city runs several mornings a week. Seriously, they couldn't make exercising easier if they tried.